There are a lot of tools out there that can help automate the job search and speed up applications. But instead of adding another tool into my workflow, I wanted to see if I could build this directly into the AI tools I use every single day. Here's what I did. I asked Claude to search on LinkedIn for the most recent software engineering job applications in the last 24 hours. And it came back with this list of options for me. Then I gave Claude a job link application and asked it to fill it out based on the information in my resume. To do this, I had to use the Browserless agent. Browserless gives Claude a browser that it can control so that the agent can navigate the web, fill out different forms, and understand what's going on in order to submit an application for me. Much like I was doing the application manually, but instead it's a lot more quicker. I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'm going to be using Claude plus a Browserless account, which is free to sign up if you want to try it out. Once connected, Claude can use Browserless to run browser actions for me. First, you'll need a Claude account. If you're following along and using the Claude desktop app, you'll also need to download that as well, which is on their website. You'll also need a Browserless account, which I'll also link below in the description if you want to sign up. Now inside Claude Desktop, we're going to need to connect the Browserless MCP. So to do this, we're going to first go onto the left under Customize. And here we're going to look for the Connectors tab on the left menu. From here, we're going to go to the top and press Add, and we're going to be adding a custom connector. For the custom name, I'm just going to be using Browserless. And for the MCP server URL, I'm going to be pasting this in, which I'll also put the link below in the description if you want to copy and paste it as well. Then you click Add. Next, Claude will ask you to log into your Browserless account, so all you have to do is press Connect, and it's going to be opening a window for you to log in. Once it's connected, you'll be able to see all the tools available inside the MCP, including the Browserless agent, which is listed at the bottom. And that's the setup. Now we just need to ask Claude to search the web for application links, or we can ask it to navigate an application form using the resume that we have attached. Now that everything is connected, we can now prompt Claude to use the Browserless agent. For the first test, I'll start by using the following prompt. It says, use the Browserless agent to search LinkedIn for 5 software engineer jobs posted in the last 24 hours, US only. I'm going to run that. And while it's running, we can see that it is using the Browserless agent tool and reasoning through the task of navigating LinkedIn to find the listings for us. When it's finished, Claude gives me this list of job applications that were posted around 12 to 15 hours ago, and I can review it and ask for any next steps like the links to these job applications. Some listings link out to a company website, so I can then use those links instead to ask Claude to apply for them by attaching my resume with the prompt. For this demo, I'm going to be using a fake resume and a test job application website so we can safely go through the full workflow. I'm going to add my resume, and the prompt I'm going to use is use the Browserless agent to apply for this job using my attached resume and the details inside to fill out my details. I'm going to run this as well. As the agent runs, you can see that it will identify the right elements and adapt its navigation to each page. As well, this is a test website, so you're also free to try this as well if you want to try out the browser agent on your own. What's great is that now that this is running on its own, I can go do other things, or I can look for more different links for my browser agent to fill out for me. Once it's done, we can confirm that the workflow has successfully submitted our application. And because this is an agent workflow, we can extend and build this on further. So you can either build this to scale up, for example, running the searches on a schedule or running larger batches of applications. So with Browserless connected, Claude now has a browser to navigate the web, search job applications for me, and fill it out. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you run into any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. My name is Chloe. I'll see you in the next one.